I'm going to give you live, undeniable proof right in front of your very eyes of me logging into my many affiliate accounts. In this particular ClickBank account, you can see I'm earning anywhere from a few $100s per day, but if you look here on Wednesday, it spikes up to over $800. And then a few days later, we made over $3,400 in a single day. Now, the way I'm doing this is by sending out one cash campaign per day through the viral income system. If you want to make money like this, then listen up. I need to ask you a very important question, and I need you to play along with me for a moment, okay?
I got paid $260,000.
Over $10,600 in the past 9 days.
You see that number, $7,938. We call that 8,000.
You can see behind me my back office, $1,009,760 to be exact.
Congratulations and welcome to this very exclusive page. If you're here and you're watching this video, then it means you have the opportunity to earn $500 per day or more just for helping us beta test our brand new viral income system. That's right. People are earning $500 per day or more, and all they are doing is copying my system. And we even have some people earning thousands of dollars per day. Let me explain how this works. Did you know that big businesses and companies online get paid every single time that you check your email and click on links inside your email? It's crazy. These big businesses are making money 24/7, 365 days a year, including holidays. The money making never stops. But don't you think it's time that you started getting paid instead of these big companies? Wouldn't it be cool if you got paid every single time you check your email and click on links inside your email? That's what our brand new software system does. And if you claim your position right now, you could be earning $500 per day or more just for becoming a paid beta tester and helping others get paid too. The only problem is we cannot let everybody in. As soon as we reach capacity, we will be closing this offer down and removing this page from the internet. Our beta testers, if accepted, will be able to keep using the software and getting paid forever. But this offer will eventually be closed to the general public. So if you're seeing this video, then consider yourself lucky, because chances are we only have a few spots available for you to start getting paid today. And for your chance to make $500 or more per day, enter your information into the form below right now and see if we have any more spots available. Claim your spot and claim your chance to make $500 per day in our brand new Beta Testers Challenge. Look below this video now and complete the form to claim your spot. Enter your name and email address below to see if you qualify on the next page. I'll see you over there and take action. Right now, there's only a few spots left. Go now.